YouTube fam! I'm Lala and Mimi is my sister. For those of you who don't know, we make videos together on beauty and fitness, and we do separate videos as well because we do live miles and miles apart now, so it's harder to film videos together. But we are still Mimi and Lala, okay? So I normally do the fitness videos because that's what I'm really, I don't know why I'm like this, hey! That's what I really enjoy. I enjoy makeup as well, but Mimi seems to have a greater passion for that, so we kind of split it up in that way. I haven't done a beauty related video in a while, so I wanted to make one because I still love beauty things, because who doesn't want to feel beautiful? We're all beautiful in our own ways and unique ways, and personality is everything, y'all. This video is on a first impressions / review of the Ardell Professional Magnetic Accents Eyelashes. Doesn't that look weird? Don't forget to like this video if you want to see more reviews on beauty stuff like this. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can see videos that Mimi and I make together. And you could also hit the notification bell because I guess YouTube's acting weird. So you can get notified of when we upload. If you hit the notification bell, you will be notified of when we upload. So without further ado, let's try these magnetic lashes. These are the magnetic eyelashes that don't require any glue. It's supposed to be easier to put on, and yeah, that's all I know. That the magnet helps is to make it easier to apply. You have one that's under and one that's over, and it's just supposed to clasp. However, I do have really short eyelashes. I will scoot in. Don't know if you can tell, but I have really short eyelashes, and they're really straight. They go straight down. So I'm really interested in seeing if these will stick on my eyelashes that are really pin straight and pointing down. So I guess we will find out. So I'm going to do one eye. The left eye I will do without any makeup, without any eyeliner, and the right eye I'm gonna try and do one single line and put on the lashes and see how it looks with liner. Right, so I'm excited to see how this works. They're accents, so I don't think they're supposed to be a full-on lash. It's just supposed to accentuate your own lashes, which is fine. It looks weird. I feel like it's like to have like I have 4 eyes or something. Well, it has 3 little magnets on each. This one says upper, so it's the ones that go on top, upper. These are the lower ones, and they're gonna clasp. So okay, so this one's the lower one. Like, you see that? They just go together like shabba labba labba dabba 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 dabba. So since I have nails, it's a little hard. It was a little hard to get them close to my natural eyelash root, but you are able to slide them back a little. I don't know if you can tell. I'm sliding them back, like pushing them back to get them close to my natural eyelash. So there's one. So I don't think you can wear them alone. They look nice, but I feel like it would look better with eyeliner. But what I'm already noticing is as I'm blinking, it's sliding down from the inner corner. You see that? Like I'm blinking. It looks like they're not glued. So that's not good. Also, the magnet, I don't know if you've ever experienced where you have too much glue on your eyelash and it just feels like a big blob on your eyelash. Yeah, that's what it feels like. It feels heavy. I'm not gonna lie. Like the lash itself looks like it would be nice and light and fluffy, and from far I may fool you, but from up front, no. You have to keep pushing them back. Since it is a magnet and it is straight, it doesn't curve to your eye shape. Unless I have to play around with them like the other eyelashes. So let's go ahead and try that on the other side. This side I'm going to line. It's the L'Oreal telescopic and it's the blue one, so it's waterproof. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw myself a quick little line. Now I'm gonna try and bend these lashes so they get a little bit of shape. So we're gonna try and bend and snap these eyelashes. Okay. So I am bending some more. Alright, that added a little bit more of a bend. Now we're gonna try it on the right side with the eye that has the liner. And then as far as application, I don't know if it's because I have nails on, it is slightly harder. Did I do it? No. It comes off so easily. That's not a good sign. I think I got it. Okay, so again, I did not get it in the lash line. Oh. I don't know if you could see. It's like not close to my eyelash. But the front is more intact. But look at how easy it is to take off. Okay. I still can't get the end right. It looks a lot better with the eye with the eyeliner. Blends in more, but when I look like squint, I can definitely see the magnets. I can't seem to get it really close to the eye. So I think from afar, these lashes might look pretty good. I think they're very natural looking, and this I like this idea of having magnets and having it be an easier application. But when you actually try it out, it's not easier at all. Or maybe again it's because I have nails. But either way, I think it still would be hard because you have to like line them up and just make sure that you get them as close to your eyelash root and clasp. Like it just tends not to stay as close to the root as possible. Like the end always just flares out. And then they're really easy to remove, one swipe and it was gone. I have no more eyelash. So magnetic lashes, or at least the Ardell ones, but I'm sure all the other magnetic lashes probably work the same, are a big flop, fail, no, I was so excited because I was like, maybe this will make my getting ready in the morning easier and I can have like pretty lashes, but no. Still have to use the glue or just use mascara or just rock these pin straight lashes. So this concludes the end of this review slash first impressions video on the Ardell magnetic eyelashes. Thank you so much for staying till the very end. It means so much to me. Let me know if you ever tried these lashes and how they worked out for you. Like whether they actually worked for you, maybe they just don't work on my pin straight lashes, or maybe it is because of my nails and maybe I should try it when I don't have nails. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty related videos or fitness related videos. You got the best of both worlds in here, here in the Mimi and Lala channel. See you on the next one. Bye!